Ripple XRP will replace the whole banking system. There is big news for XRP holders. Hold on tight because it is really big news. So guys, Ripple XRP will replace the whole banking system. You know what that means? You will soon. It is going to have a great impact on XRP's price and market cap. Ripple will replace banks, and its impact on Ripple will replace Bitcoin with XRP. Interesting, right? Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know all about Ripple and banks, why Ripple will replace banks, what's in it for Ripple, and what impact this is going to have on XRP's price. So let's start our video. Before we jump to the main topic, let's talk about what is Ripple XRP so that ones that are new here can also develop the interest. Everything about Ripple XRP. XRP is a cryptocurrency, or you could say that it is a digital money that is used to deal with buying and selling digitally in an anonymous way. It has no record like our money that has numbers issued by the government. Ripple was launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin, as OpenCoin, and Ripple Labs is the American-based software company who developed the XRP. XRP is unique, unlike other cryptocurrencies. Ripple's XRP is changing the way of the cryptocurrency. It was originally designed to have much quicker and cheaper transactions than other cryptocurrencies, making it more suitable for day-to-day payments. Its ability to be exchanged to any currency or valuable such as gold with a unified minimal commission is a great advantage that XRP offers. In further video, you will know more about Ripple XRP. So guys, now coming towards Ripple XRP's relation with banks. XRP is for banks. Ripple isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a transaction protocol that streamlines cash transfers between banks. This means Ripple has real-world applications. Banks have started to use Ripple technology as a payment and money transfer method between each other. Dozens of banks already use Ripple as a safe, secure way to transfer money. These banks include Access Bank, Star One Credit Union, MUFG, and Cambridge Global Payments. So the reason behind banks using XRP is some unique features that Ripple XRP is offering. These are: Ripple's consensus ledger is a centralized record book, and XRP is the native token for RCL. It is a system made for banks based on trustline consensus. Ripple will save billions of dollars for banks per year. What makes XRP stand out and favorite of banks is its transaction fee. Ripple is practically free because the standard cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. Ripple performs amazingly in terms of transaction speeds. It can settle payments in just 4 seconds. Banks currently take around 3 to 5 days for the same. This is really going to save banks a lot of time. The ability to handle volume is equally important. The XRP ledger is capable of sustaining a throughput of 1,500 transactions per second on commodity hardware. This is a really large number compared with other cryptocurrencies. This feature is really important for XRP to help become the global payment used by all and fast. Another big advantage of Ripple to be used by banks is its stability. Unlike most other digital currencies, Ripple has a successful track record of more than 5 years. Over the years, the technology has worked efficiently. Since its introduction, all Ripple ledgers have closed without any problem. There are some products that Ripple offers, and some banks love them too. These are xCurrent, xRapid, and xVia. xCurrent, Ripple's flagship product, which enables efficient cross-border payments. XRP to replace correspondent banks. Guys, a piece of important side information that you should know is that when a bank doesn't have a direct relationship with a bank in another country, it uses correspondent banks as intermediaries through which the payment instruction hops. So if a bank in one country wants to send a payment to another country, it has to keep money on deposit at a Nastro account at a correspondent bank in that foreign country. The funds in the account are used to settle the payment, which is directed by a message sent over the SWIFT network. But using Ripple's XRapid software that is a product of Ripple and XRP, and following guidelines set by the software firm, banks can send payments across borders without having to store money in accounts in foreign countries. For a clear understanding, let's take the example: the banks can use XRP as a bridge across borders. They can use the local currency of that country to buy XRP. Then they buy the currency of the foreign country with the XRP and use that to make the payment. Both parties trust the XRP ledger to cryptographically secure and record the transaction. Now, if the banks don't need to hold that currency, there is no need for any intermediaries correspondent banks. Ripple can replace SWIFT. A report from Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum presents blockchain technology as a solution for multiple sectors, from governance, finance, data access, and scalability. And guess what? Ripple products are part of the solutions presented. According to the report, blockchain technology is appropriate for improving several key banking system functions such as payments, settlement, and transaction validation. The report points out that the DLT technology on which XRP operates can bring improvements in 5 key points: security, speed, transparency, traceability, cost, and risk management. The report also notes that a bank can eliminate the complicated process required by SWIFT and replace it with an XRP pool. That way, a bank can allocate less liquidity as part of a service and still obtain the same amount of transaction volume in global payments. According to that report, a survey was conducted by the banks, and several banking institutions agree on the disadvantages of the SWIFT network for making transactions. These are costly, have many obstacles, and involve many parties to be completed. In addition, one banking institution representative survey stated that the SWIFT network is not appropriate for corporations. So this leads to XRP as what you can say is the new SWIFT for banking. Ripple to support CBDC. Ripple has announced a massive XRP plan, which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all central bank digital currencies. The future financial monetary systems are all going to be based on CBDCs. Every government and every central bank is going to have its own CBDC, and Ripple is building a core component that will power all of this and make XRP be the world currency for them all. These are very ambitious plans that Ripple has, which will massively increase the utilization of XRP. Increase in the utility of XRP means an increase in XRP price. This is something that is going to benefit all XRP investors. The future of XRP with banks. We cannot talk about XRP's future without discussing the lawsuit. So in December of 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, sued Ripple, alleging that its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chairman Chris Larsen sold over $1.3 billion in XRP and promoted the token and paid third parties to support the cryptocurrency. However, Ripple categorically denies the accusation against the company and its senior executives, and now the case that caused the price of Ripple XRP to fall down is becoming the reason for its 3 years high price, which is increasing further. Ripple, at its core, was designed for speed and to achieve the lowest fees of any crypto asset there is. And there are attributes that make it an attractive option for banks, which are Ripple's main customers, and they love to use it. XRP intends to move larger amounts of money quickly and at a low cost. Due to this, Ripple can eventually become a replacement for other enormous money transfer platforms, such as SWIFT, that is one of the current bank standards for bank wires, and it has slower speeds and much higher fees. Ripple also has the potential to disrupt traditional cross-border payments, such as MoneyGram. Because Ripple has a high potential of becoming the new standard in many industries, it has one of the highest price potentials out of any crypto asset. Ripple has a high chance of going upward as more banks adopt its transfer method. Keeping in view the current world scenario of the COVID pandemic, banks will collapse because of the ultra-inflation of this pandemic, and then XRP will take over to become one global bank and one global currency. XRP price prediction. The XRP currency has its ups and downs, and we cannot really predict the price for sure. However, the team behind the project aims for a lot of developments throughout the entirety of 2021. Experts believe that even with the situation with the SEC can make the $2 mark done in the coming days. In a perfect case scenario, if XRP gains more mainstream attention and adoption by 2022, it could potentially reach the $500 mark as well. And if we talk about the price after the Great Reset, experts have predicted it can reach even $10,000 and replace Bitcoin. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help for you. What do you guys think of XRP replacing banks? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching.